Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Freedom fighters, all warriors that stand to make sure that Biafra restore. Allow them to do their job. Yotago. If an ego na agba ego moka na agba. So this man now, as no have a commissioner on Anambra. Then you go order to kill Biafrans. And you go order to shoot aside. Yotago. So they have given them order to come in Biafra lands to shoot aside. So men are waiting for them. Because Haga wonko okoko, Haga wonko nchi. You understand? Why am I giving my people this information is that some people don't know. Our people are Malifa Nebu. Stay indoor. I say sit at home, stay indoor. Apatakwana Nero. If Biafra can listen, everywhere we dry, we total shutdown. Rosa na begi, Kahapule, we just say, Biabayo na begi. Yotago. Because that one cannot happen. But when once you come out, something will happen to you. Badly will happen to you. Yotago. Man in run and begi. I only forget nothing is going to happen to you. It's very, very important. So if you want to stay alive and see this freedom, for you to enjoy this freedom, respect yourself and respect Manson and the cow. Respect all the gallant men because they're already there protecting you. They're already there fighting seriously for you to stay alive. Respect Simon. Where Simon say sit at home. Sit at home because he get why. Now share this life. Now share this life. Now share this life. Now share. Now for our people. Because all the very, very important. All the very, very important. Asakwala na agwa ahụ gị ya. Tap on your screen. Tap on your screen. Let me check on your screen again. You send right emoji love. Yes, emoji like. You send the akwụsịkwana. Ị na-eme ya ga na-esonyere anyị na our new page Brother Champion. Maka na page nke anyị na-use anyị na-enwe problem ya. Ị gaa na this page Brother Champion. Go and like the video. Anyị na-post video ebe a. Like and comment. Share that video on that page. So ka ndị mmadụ ka Biafra notice the page. And we are now about suppose if I name aga. If you only follow that page, go and follow that page immediately, Brother Champion. Attack me ever. On our topic, the click here, Ozbo. So my people, we are not here to even to warn them, but we are telling them to come. We are telling Nigeria police and Nigeria soldier to come. Then get Bialabia. Kajukere Hotel Hotel. Ndị nke bịara abịa ka chikere Ijeọma nnekene gị daalụ nwaanyị ọma obi nnekene gị obi Mbaise nnekene gị daalụ David Prince m na-afụ gị Emeka Frank Azubike nnekene gị onwe m na-afụ gị so onwere ihe na-asị ha bịa na when you see them you welcome them in Biafra land because Biafra land is a holy land. I promise you'll die. None of them that is coming Biafra land will go. None of them is coming Biafra land will go. Believe me. Now yesterday about today. It will change go. Now this century I know Ketana. Able WhatsApp a guy. Negi. Shimo. We are not here to tell them not to come. You sit at home. Mana ha na-abịa onye ọbụla na-abịa let that person gwa family ya na ije ya na-aga na ya ma mbata because no naba is coming in a holy land that when you come in a holy land only what will save you is you are fighting the right fight but once you are on the wrong side e were gị share pepper soup e were gị share pepper soup keep sharing this lap and tap on your screen kind of find na-agbasa ozi akọ na-eru ndị be anyị aka One in on Biafra land. Be one. Sit at home. Unless you sit at home will not work, is when you mean they bring Mazin and California of this month. Yeah, good and fine. A man and sit at home and end there. But without that, I na this in a gear 5, but na gear 10. I'm not Mazin and Calapataro. You sit at home now, that is coming. Let me tell you, I give me my 1 month to serve. Until Mazin and Calapata. All stage by stage. Because you sit at home, you can engage. They don't know what to do. They don't even know what to do, self. When you sit at home. If I make it an arm of Babashka, they have nothing to offer. So, my people, I'm giving you guys this information because of the useless IG in Anambra. He's saying, look at this man. He's a Yoruba man. He's a Yoruba man. Yotago. And I got 1 week. You see this man on neighbor. This man neighbor, I got 1 week. Since he have decided to hurt any Biafran, I got we are not on Biafra land. Eba bro Yoruba land. No, we are getting now go Vulungon. We are never Yoruba land. Or message and send the real because I got here. Show my family. Show all of them. Anybody seen or not to come in Biafra land to kill any Biafrans? I got join at midnight. Killing Biafra is no more. Before. About Zekita. Biafra is we are wiser now. Wiser than in anything. More than anything, sir. Killing us is no more again. Kita bro mgbe ha na-ebute AK-47 abịa na-agba anyị for no reason. Anyị pụta na street ka anyị mee protest ha gbaba anyị egbe. I feel nọọsụ ha ma otu esi agba egbe. O wee bụrụ ya. Bọsa anyị gara na-aba movement 217 ndị agbala anyị gbogbo for no reason. Port Harcourt Road. I name Operation Panther Dance 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, if I may, because we are fighting for our own freedom. And you're that I feel no hotel got this wrong way. Now, no, and I must say, Coco can they have myself, can they have about yourself, because I have one now for their family, I'm for their yourself, talk more of. Let's not about video. Maybe what they make on a KB Gagabulia. I have the highest woman of one. Understand? I have the highest woman of one. Young wrong with fearing. Young wrong disgrace and shame because of your useless stupidity. Wrong with question. I put the ego. I have been family. Many some people wrong today in Biafra land because of an on a pen now. Nothing will happen to them. But they decided to fight innocent people that have never done anything wrong to them. You can see now go outside and not to be fight. You are Lagos, I be fight the Biafran people. I don't know, you need to ask questions before you know. Under government now, as a Nigerian soldier and Nigerian police, you resign. It's in Biafra land, they run away, or resign. Say you will not come because maybe you collect. Maybe you collect. Either you resign because you are fighting innocent people that have never done anything wrong to you. So how are you going to win? You can never win. You understand? You can't win. So when they hear this man who about that, they have given them order to shoot aside. Which people are they shooting aside? Biafran people. Tomorrow somebody will wake up and tell me that Nigeria is a country that they advertise killing their own people. Shameless country that I have never seen in the whole world. Somebody will come out on television and say it loud and clear. Nobody will ask him a question. Newspaper will carry the news, or the whole social platform, the Zoo platform will carry the news. These people that will continue advertising killings for their innocent killings for in Nigeria, they will be advertising it for you to know. The whole world is seeing it. Why can't you rise up and fight for your rights? You are waiting for them until everybody will die once and for all before you wake up. My guy, never they serious. So the only thing that when me about our people know about, when you see somebody doing a great job, you know, name on your insult. Why are you insulting that person? Because again, you cannot do it. Why can't you respect yourself and pray for that person? Yes, Madunina Mambo. Everybody knows that. Madunina Mambo, but why can't you respect yourself and always pray for that person? See, the time is now. Yes, my brother, Oluchi. Yetago. Nigeria blew a country. Nigeria is not a country. Nigeria expired in 2015. Hmm? February 6 is the expiring date of this zoo called Nigeria. I know them mother that Nigeria can work. This year, you people have seen it with Unakoro, Koro, 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 and Timbo. Many of our people foolishly close their eye fighting one Nigeria. Where is all this LUP today? LUP, Obi, Obi one name, Obi, Obi, LUP. Where is all of them today? All of them is gone because this is what our leader Mazen and Kalam have been saying for years. Mazen and Kalam have already given this prophecy. In is it in 2016 when Mazen and Kalam tell us what is about to happen in 2013, this 2023. Some of them will come out and tell me that Nigeria is a country. When Mazen and Kalam is in DSS dungeon for no reason. Nigeria courts have already granted him bail. Leave this man. This man have nothing. This man have not have. This man have no nothing. This man, leave this man to go. You said no. You hold this man for waiting to happen now. This one nothing gonna happen now. Maybe we hold him. I'm waiting to happen. The thing say that's so it go be. No, if Nigeria no say that's so it go be, they no go fit kidnap Mazen and the cow. Believe me. If Nigeria no say to leave Mazen and the cow now is a big problem. To leave Mazen and the cow now, don't you know? Do you know how much jobs in Nigeria don't borrow because of Mazen and the cow? Because of our leader. All this money where you see, so you know how much when Nigeria don't borrow. You know how much Nigeria don't borrow a lot of money. To leave Mazen and the Kalo now, you must say to Mazen and the Kalo, you must give him exactly what he wants. Without that, my brother, our leader about Nigeria no like this. I'm telling you the truth. Rush now and go and follow brother Charlie Femoka in there. Onye sikwa na Biafra ma mbịa etinye ya n'ife a na-eme Biafra enwe isi yotago. Biafra is here already. Who is saying that? Is it true they hold Simon? Nobody go fear arrest Simon. Nobody on this earth go fear arrest Simon. All these things in Nigeria they talk on our nonsense. Nobody go fear arrest Simon, man. You won't go arrest Simon. The thing say Finland is like zoo where no get law. All of them should go and know who Simon is. Simon is not just a person in Finland. It's not just a human being just like that. Simon is not just a citizen in Finland, but is a part of government in Finland. He's a politician in Finland. He's a lawyer in Finland. Simon is a soldier. Simon, you are saying today. So before you arrest that such person, Simon have profile in Finland. Simon don't have anything here in Zoo. Finland knows Simon more than you and I. Understand? Finland government know everything about Simon. Both Simon blood like this. Everything about Simon. So are you seeing them, all these people running around, going in Finland to go and protest? I think you are seeing them. Finland is not foolish like Zoo. So nobody can do that. So my people, anyị asa ụnụ asa na dị sit at home na bịa apụtakwara n'iro ịghọtago apụtakwara n'iro apụtakwara n'iro don't go outside where we say don't go outside obi Mbaise you tag somebody you tag Ikechukwu ka ife okwu you say more than this Kano's case at the end you see him laughing inside the chair but you can't help him you can't help him just mouth who be this one they talk ordinary they correct English man ebe abịa na-ede how can a Fulani man will understand what Nigeria is all about? Ka onye Fulani bi ebe abịa na-ede eri oyibo asụ oyibo mara ebe a you are speaking to. Do you know who people you are speaking to? I ga-agba ụnụ jaja si na ọka obi ịpụta you're not going back, no retreat, no surrender. That time no be now and again. Now we own this government. Nigeria get soldier, Nigeria no get soldier. Now buru soldier, many of them are from Nigeria. They come, if you catch them, they cry, they shout like goats. Nigeria no get soldier, Nigeria no get Bakam, Shimbai, they no get. Onwe ya na-akpọ a strong gallant soldiers Nigeria enwe ya ụmụazị nọcha 15 years 20 years agakpọrọ ha tụ ha na soja ka ife ama ayas akụzi onye ahụ otu esi agba egbe that's all or the apia way and the rest of them they don't know onye si na depo pụta enye ya AK-47 ọpụta bịa kwụrụ na mere obere soja o ezughị ya n'ebe Boko Haram na agbagbuchie ya ebe ahụ. That is why our people stop entering army now, because in a Nigeria army, you are just wasting your fucking time. You gotta go. Check what I'm telling you. If what your mazen abacha, small boys of 16, 17 years, if I'm a got it. Nigeria no gay soldier. Only ye bona soldier, but I'm a rugged, gallant soldier, and I fear. Ekporo ụmụazị kwesị nọ na ụmụazị nwere future a na-anwụ for no reason. You gotta go. No, immediately they sit at home will start. Everybody will know, but I'm just giving this information because sit at home is this month. You understand? Onye Hausa na ebe ederi, onye Yoruba bụ nka. You should go to your land and save your land because we are ready. Our own land is safe. We have occupied everywhere, both air and anywhere. We have taken over. The government belongs to us, not any Fulani Janjaweed. The government belongs to Biafrans, whether you like it or not. And Nigeria knows that. No be say Nigeria don't know. Nigeria knows everything. That is why, if they say that Biafran people, let me say Nigeria says that Biafra people, they are not in Nigeria. Oh yeah, let's do referendum. Simple and short. It's like, just let's do it once and for all. Nigeria is afraid to do referendum. Let's just do it. That is why Nigeria is shaking like this. Nigeria is shaking up and down now, left and right. My people, no gababiko, go follow this page in tag, I am the 115 in the house. Go and follow that page. Go and follow that brother champion. Even gonna more updates now. I can create another Baron page for more. When you follow with that page, you should go and follow that page. Osbo brother champion. Everybody should go and follow the page immediately. Everybody should go and follow the page. Everybody should go and follow the page. Fulani have already taken over Hausa land. Very soon they will take over Yoruba land because Tinubu now is a Nigeria president.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.